Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy. I'm an independent consultant for Close to My Heart, and today I'm sharing with you a card that I'm going to make with the Hummingbird stamp and thin cuts. I'm really enjoying this set. It's just the prettiest. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so again I'm using one of our pre-made card bases. And like I've said before, they are 5.5 by 8.5 inch, and they are pre-scored in the middle. So we'll just fold that over. Done. Alright, now I'm also using the current mix-in packs. This piece is 4 by 5.25. Let's just adhere it down. Here is 2 inch by 5 inch, but I'm actually going to dovetail the end. Alright, and then I've also got, this is a 1/2 inch by 2 inch piece. This is from the zip strips that come with all our papers. Okay, and then I'm going to bring in the thin. Okay, so I've got the flowers and the hummingbird that I've already pre-cut out and pre-stamped. So I'm going to use watercolor pencils. So let's just color these in quickly. To adhere these down on here. Alright, so I know there's a little bit of mess there, but that's okay because I've got my title which will go over it. You can always fix a mistake. You just need to be a little bit creative, that's all. We'll stick that over our mistake, and you'll never know it was there. Okay, so I'm also going to use Lagoon, and I'll pop a couple of hearts on. Okay, I'm also going to add some silver sequins. So I think our card's done. I don't think I'll add anything else to this. Alright, I'm going to end this video here. Alright, if you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!